Now in the first part, we have to learn how to insert sheet, how to delete sheet, how to rename sheet. Okay, so these are the small things we have to learn, and as well as to hide sheet also. Suppose this is sheet 1. If you want to bring any more sheet, you can click on this plus sign. Automatically it will bring the next sheet. Now many of your computer, you might not be having this plus sign. In case of this plus sign, what you need to do is right click over here, click on insert, then click on the worksheet and OK. Then a new sheet will get inserted. Now I'm showing this process once again. You can click any one of the sheet, whether 1, 2, 3, whichever sheet you feel like. Just click, right click, insert, click on the worksheet, click OK. Then your sheet will get inserted. Now this process is of how to insert worksheet. Now the next part is renaming a worksheet. Suppose if you have brought 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sheet. Now this is not arranged. So how to arrange it? You can long press on the sheet. You can see a small arrow on the left hand side of the sheet. Now it is coming, or it is changing the position. Okay, so you can change the position and you can place wherever you feel like. Suppose 1, 2, it's coming 4. Now long press on this sheet, drag it and drop it here. Then automatically it will be in arranged position. Okay, so this is of arranging of sheet. Now the next part is renaming of sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 sheet. Suppose in first sheet I would like to do a summation. Second sheet I would like to do average. So how I have done it, or how am I doing this process? Just double click onto the sheet, then you will see a blinking cursor. Press backspace and write as per your own choice. There is also another long process. Right click on the sheet, you will get a rename option. Click on that, press backspace and the name will get, you can write it down. Okay, it will get changed. So this was the information of renaming a worksheet. Now how to hide and delete. Suppose you don't want this sheet 5, right click, say there is an option called delete, tap it, it will get deleted. Now suppose in division you have written some number, and total also you have written some number, average here you have written number, summation you have written some number. See, in all the sheets number is there. Now you don't want this division to be appear, right click, there is option called hide, click on this option, it will get hide. Now how to unhide? Just right click again any one of the available sheet, click on unhide. You need to choose like which sheet you need to unhide. See, only one sheet we have unhide, so only one sheet's information is visible. Now click on OK, then it will appear. Now these are the process of sheet hide, unhide, rename, delete and insert.